Solutions can be unsaturated, saturated, or supersaturated. Now, saturated we just talked about. That's when the solution is completely full. The maximum amount of solute has been dissolved. So, no more solute will dissolve. We already have the maximum amount in there. Unsaturated means that we can still dissolve some solute in here. If we add some more solute, it will dissolve. Supersaturated is when we already have a saturated solution, meaning that the solution is already full of solute, it can't dissolve anymore, but we add some more solute anyways. Since that solute cannot dissolve, it settles at the bottom of the container. Sometimes you might add sugar to iced tea, and everything's going good, and then you add a little too much, and then all of a sudden that sugar starts to pile up at the bottom of your glass. That's because your iced tea has become super saturated.